Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to make the clay cases for your American Girl dolls. So you're going to need any color of polymer clay. I suggest Sculpty because Fimo Soft isn't very soft at all. So just get a chunk off and just mush it and just like roll it up into like a flat pancake, just like that. And then yeah, and so it has to be a little bit bigger than your phone. Okay, I need to roll mine out more. Just yeah, just get it bigger than your phone, just like that. And now you have to fold the edges up just like this and tuck them in like that. You're gonna cut off the excess, just like that. Now just get your X-Acto knife. Be very careful and cut off the excess, just like that. There we go. And now just carefully, really carefully, just peel it off. And if you want, you can thicken up the thin edges like that right there. And now we need to bake this, but I suggest doing it for 15 minutes on preheat the oven for 275 degrees for 15 minutes. But you can always follow the package too if you want. So yeah. Oh yeah, you also need to cut the hole. I'm just sticking it up the edges right now. But you need to just cut a hole for the camera. So right there. Just cut a hole. Just a little bit of a hole. Just like that. And I mean, you could do this when the clay's baked, but it's a little bit harder. I did it on my other one because I actually forgot to do it. So yeah, so just make sure this one fits. And yeah, so 275 for 15 minutes. And I'm just going to get it a little bit more wide, just like that. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to bake it. Bake it, like just like that. Just clean up the edges. So get your X off, get it out without breaking it. Okay, there we go. Okay, yeah. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna bake it. Okay, bye. 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 Okay, so while it's baking, I'm actually going to do the other version of the pop socket on it. So this is the closed pop socket version. So get two circles of foam, the size of the other pop socket we made, and just glue them together with a glue dot. Just like that. Glue them together like that. There we go. And yeah, just like that. And get another one, and then glue dots don't really stick to foam, so you can always use hot glue too. But yeah, I just don't really have my hot glue gun heated up right now, so yeah. Just get that on there. Ugh, it's very annoying. I'm just gonna peel it off and put it on like that. There we go. That might be an easier way of doing it. Okay, I'm just gonna start over with a new one because this is very annoying. There we go. And now you just need to stick it onto wherever you want on the phone case. And now we're just gonna color this with a marker or Sharpie or whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna get my Sharpie. I think I'll do like a flower on it or something. Oh yeah, and you have to trim off the edges too. Just trim off the excess. Yeah, so I'm just gonna draw like a flower on it. Oh, I need to get a thick Sharpie, not a thin one. There we go. Oops, actually, a little. Okay, there we go. And then, like a swirly pattern maybe. Flower swirly. Oh, that's a little bit small, but hey, it just looks like a flower laying on its side. That's good. That worked out well. So cute. Okay, now I'm just gonna color in the petals with a lighter pink. A lighter pink. There we go. Just color it all in. There we go. Perfect. There, looks like a flower laying on its side. So yeah. Okay, so now I got the polymer clay case. It's a little bit bumpy right there, but yeah. And now we're gonna decorate it, just like with puffy paint and stuff. But yeah, it's really smooth and awesome. But yeah. Okay, so puffy paint. Just gonna get the puffy paint for that. Let's see. Okay. Okay, and here's the phone. I just fitted that phone in. Oh, there's a little bit of space there, but it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. So, puffy paint. So, you don't have to do puffy paint. You can always color it with like markers or anything. You can even color it with like, or decorate it with like fabric. But yeah. And just go just all around there. I just like doing it by the camera. I don't know why. I just think it's better that way. But you don't have to do that. You can do anything you want. Right. I'm just gonna get some white puffy paint and just like do a little decoration like around the dots. Just like that. There we go. There we go. Okay, now that's just gonna dry, and yeah, so thank you for watching the video where we made the clothes pops outfits and the clay polymer clay cases. Okay, bye. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and live a sweet life.